Today on Alley Pick, I'm taking a well-deserved coffee break. So grab yourself a cup of coffee or tea and meet me back right here. For today's coffee break topic is a woodworker and artist. Now, if you ask most people what an artist is, they're probably going to say somebody who draws or paints.
Hello, I'm Bob Ross.
But I believe that an artist is much more than that. In fact, I'm going to go all the way and say that a woodworker is an artist. But does it really matter? Yes, it does matter. And let me tell you why. An artist today can be a sculptor, filmmaker, actor, dancer, novelist, or even a poet. The thing that they all have in common is they have exceptional skill and a creative imagination. But today, I'm speaking up for all of you woodworkers out there, for all you hobbyists who use your creative talents to build, to make all sorts of interesting things. I think we're overlooked as artists. Now, people might think we have skills and talents, but they wouldn't go so far as to call us artists. But I beg to differ. Now, I'm not just speaking up for woodworkers, but I'm talking about all the metal workers, jewelry designers, leather crafters, furniture restorers, web designers, glass blowers, cake decorators, all kinds of things, arts and crafts. These are people that also have exceptional skills. For people like myself, we have a drive and a motivation to never stop creating, building, and making things. We do these things regardless if we got paid or even noticed by anyone else. We wake up thinking about it. We dream about it. Most of us hold other jobs because we're forced to do what we like until we can do what we really love. In other words, we have responsibilities. We need to pay the bills. But what we really want to do is create, and that's what motivates us. So I don't put limits on what defines an artist, but I do put some qualities on an artist. In fact, I think that all true artists have 4 qualities in common, and they all begin with the letter P. Number 1, persistence. Persistence is the quality that allows someone to continue doing something, or at least trying to do something, even though it's difficult or maybe even opposed by other people. Maybe not necessarily even opposed, but some people just don't understand or see the point to what we're doing, yet we keep going, we keep pushing. It's what we do because we're driven to do it. Persistence. Number 2, patience. Patience is the quality of calm endurance. We don't feel rushed by our creativity. The project tells us how long it's going to take. We often work on 3 or 4 projects at the same time, bouncing between them. And doing it this way maintains a high level of excitement. Number 3, passion. We love what we do. We're excited about what we do. We have long to-do lists and long bucket lists. When we're working on one project, we're often thinking excitedly about another project. We're always learning and improving our skills. It's difficult to get up in the morning for a 9-to-5 job, but if we're working on a project, we can stay up late and get up at 5 a.m. on a Sunday morning.
Time to make the donut. The donut.
Number 4, perfectionism. We tend to have perfectionist tendencies. We sand and finish the inside of a drawer and under cabinets. We want every part of our work to look good, even if it's never seen by others. You'll notice there's one quality I did not say, and that's talent.
I don't believe in talent. Well, some people, they have talent. It's good. It helps when you have talent. As long as you have a lot of determination and willpower, that's all you need. And you have to have the will to win.
I think that being an artist has less to do with talent than it does with persistence, patience, passion, and perfection. Let me prove my point. Above my head, you'll see a picture. This is a pencil drawing of a clipper ship. I did that. Drawing and painting pictures is not one of my natural abilities. I wanted to prove to myself that I could do it if I had the persistence, patience, passion, and I was a bit of a perfectionist. So my point is this: whatever you do, don't sell yourself short. If you have a deep well of persistence, patience, passion, and perfection, then you're probably an artist. But if you can't relate to anything that I'm saying, you're probably not an artist. So if all of this resonates with you, then Welcome to the club. Now, coffee break's over. It's time to get back to work.